Glenwood Canyon, Colorado River School, coriverschool.org. This bright green boat, this is the first day on the job as a guide. This is day 3 of the lesson, so a little bit faster moving water. Check us out, come play, coriverschool.org. A better way to play on a bluebird day on the river. Colorado River School. Look at that. Another one of our students making it through day 3, lesson 3. Woo! Lots of fun. ColoradoRiverSchool.org. Woo! ColoradoRiverSchool.org. Up in the lake. Next thing you know, you're having fun on big water. Colorado River. Check us out. coriverschool.org.